Solar pasteurization of water is a low-cost way to make water safe to drink. Disease-causing organisms in water are killed by exposure to heat. Access to safe, clean drinking water in many parts of the world is difficult. Water may be clear but not safe to drink. Heating water to 150 degrees Fahrenheit for a short time makes it safe to drink. Boiling water consumes valuable and expensive resources. I wanted to see if I could design and build a pasteurizer that is simple and no tools required to make it. I made a 17-inch diameter parabolic reflector from dirt and mud. Parabolic reflector concentrates sunlight into a single point. This is just a proof of concept using free and inexpensive materials locally available. There are two ways to make the reflector. Dig a hole in the ground, the shape of the parabolic reflector, or make a box large enough to make the reflector. I made it in a box. When making the when making the parabola template, select the focal point halfway up the water container you will be using. Distribute the mud equally in the box so that it forms a bowl. Use mud as needed and the parabola template to make the final shape of the reflector. Push the parabola template into the soft mud to make the final shape of the parabola. The mud surface of the parabola should be smooth as possible. Allow the mud of the parabola surface to dry. Mix flour and water to a viscosity of gravy. Paint the dry mud surface with the flour and water mix. Aluminum foil will not stick to dry mud surface. Cut aluminum foil into wedge shapes and apply the aluminum foil to the wet surface of the dish. Smooth the surface of the aluminum foil and let it dry. "16-ounce metal can painted black. Water reached a temperature of 158 degrees Fahrenheit in an hour. Temperature maxed out at 163 Fahrenheit at an ambient temperature of 75 degrees. A larger diameter and warmer ambient temperature will heat a larger volume of water." Using mud to make a parabolic reflector and solar thermal power as a source of energy to heat the water, water can be pasteurized, making it safe to drink.